Made me think of you guys, Kelly and Hamdi and Malik. They got that little quad flying hover thing. Got a whole bunch of them.
You want to try my one sheet?
Little ones all over to the big ones. Little tiny one right here. This thing's like the size of my hand.
Here, sir. I give you $30. Make it photo if you want.
Yeah, now I'm filming for a friend of mine.
No problem, sir. Take your time.
They're into them. How much are the big ones here? Like this one right here.
That one, $175.
$175. See, that's what you could add for 175 bucks, guys, right there. That's a big boy too. Look at the model numbers and everything. Yeah, that one's really nice. It's stainless steel in it and everything. It's very nice. Big too. Really big. This little guy, 130. This one. Yeah.